How to check the copyright status of a YouTube video. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can check the copyright status of a video in your YouTube. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. So the first step is open up your YouTube, open up your web browser and head over to your YouTube. On the top right, you will see your profile icon, tap on it, and there you'll see YouTube Studio. Head over to YouTube Studio, and after you head over to your YouTube Studio, what you can then do is on the left hand side under your channel, you will see an option called Copyright. Head over to Copyright, and right here you will see your copyright status. Now, on your status, you will be able to see if your copyright claims or if anyone else's copyright claim is affected your video or not. It should show every details here. And yeah, that's how you can see your copyright status on YouTube. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.